Understanding fence installation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase, fence installation. Whether you're a homeowner, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about English terms related to home improvement, this video is for you. Let's dive into the meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about fence installation. Fence installation refers to the process of setting up a fence around a property, garden, or any designated area. A fence is a structure that encloses an area, typically outdoors, and is usually constructed from posts that are connected by boards, wire, rails, or netting. The main purposes of installing a fence include ensuring privacy, security, marking property boundaries, and sometimes, just for decorative purposes. The process can vary greatly depending on the type of fence, the terrain, and the materials used. There are several types of fences, each serving a specific purpose and made from different materials. Let's explore a few. Wooden fences, popular for their aesthetic appeal and privacy. Chain link fences, known for security and durability. Vinyl fences, low maintenance and comes in various styles. Aluminum fences, offers a mix of beauty and security with minimal upkeep. Understanding the type of fence is crucial as it affects the method of installation, maintenance, and overall cost. Fence installation can be a DIY project or done by professionals. Here are the basic steps involved. 1. Planning. Deciding on the type of fence, materials, and layout. 2. Preparation. Marking property lines, checking for underground utilities, and preparing the land. 3. Setting posts. Digging holes and setting fence posts securely. 4. Attaching panels, rails. Adding the horizontal rails between posts and attaching the panels or chain link. 5. Finishing touches, applying paint or sealant, and installing gates if necessary. Each step requires careful consideration and precision to ensure the fence is durable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic of fence installation. Whether you're planning to install a fence yourself or just wanted to learn more about the process, understanding these basic concepts can be very helpful. Remember, a well-installed fence can add to the beauty and security of your property. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.